how to make a file upload form in WordPress, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a file upload form on your WordPress website. So let's get started. What is a file upload form? It is going to be a type of form where we can allow our visitors and our customers, our viewers, to upload a PDF file or a document file. So it's actually very useful if you have a business like this, or if you want people to upload a certain kind of file. So you can actually create a form like that for free using WordPress. Let's get into the process. I have opened up the dashboard for my WordPress website. This is one of the test websites that I have, and I'll show you how to create a form that has the option to upload file. For that, we will have to scroll down to the plugin section and click on add new. We will be using a plugin to create a upload file form. In the plugins, you're going to search for a plugin known as Forminator, and it will take you right here. You can see Forminator contact form, payment form, and custom form builder. Best for WordPress. You can see it has more than 300,000 active installation and is compatible with my WordPress version. To install, click on install now. It will just take a second. Once done, click on activate. In your plugins, make sure your plugin is activated. And now we will be able to find it right here with our other plugins. So I'm going to go to the dashboard of Forminator. So here we are. You can see this is our dashboard, and I do not have any form created yet. We will create a new form. To create a new form, you will click on this option, create. Alright, so here we have choose a template, or you can start from the blank. So if I go with a contact us form, of course it will have some of the fields related to that. We have newsletter sign up, login, registration, code request, or we can create a post. We can go with a blank as well, and that will allow us to add all of the fields that we want. I'm going to start with the blank and click on continue. We have to give our form a name, so I'm just going to call it a test form. Click on create, and here we have our form. You can see it has no fields right now because I am starting from the scratch. Let's insert fields. So the first field I want to add to my form is going to be the name. Then we can add an email address. Then I can select address, maybe phone number, website, input, we have select, radio, checkbook, and others. So I'm going to go with a name, email, and let's actually go with website. And then we have the file upload option. This is one of the fields available, and I can select this one. We can scroll down to explore more. We have section, CAPTCHA, and then we have Stripe, currency. So I'm going to go with a CAPTCHA as well. Now we have these fields for my form, and this is the one that we have for file upload. Once you have selected the fields, click on insert, and you can see your form will be created. We have name, email, website, and upload file. Click on name right here, and you can see this is what it will look like. And I can apply the settings where I can select the required, or if it's going to be optional. So this is a required field, the name one, and it's going to be a single. Click on apply. Then you can select email address. Email address is also going to be required, and this is what it will look like. We can also do other settings such as validate and others. I'm going to click on apply. Then we have website. For the website, I'm going to go with an optional, and then we have validate. Click on apply. And then we have file upload. So the file upload, we can select if it's going to be single or multiple. If you want your viewers and visitors to upload just single file, you will select the single option, or you can go with multiple. Multiple means they can upload more than one file. This is what it will say, upload file, and you can also add a description right here. I'm gonna go with a single file. In settings, it's optional or required. This is required. I want them to upload a file. So we can also add an error message if there is an error that occurs. So what happens is I can just say, sorry, try again. If any error occurs, this is what it will say. Then we have allowed file types. So you have to select what kind of files they can select, default or specific file types. So I'm going to select specific file types, and we have all of them available here. You can see this is actually pretty good. Forminator allows us to create a form that allows our users to upload any kind of file. We have in images, we have PNG, GIF, we have PSD, and we have JPG. In documents, we have docs, we have MPP, docx, document, we have PDF, and others you can see right here, ODF. Then we have pages, PDF is available. You can see XPS. I'm actually allowing all type of files so that it becomes easy for my users and it is a user friendly form. So I'm going with all. We also have spreadsheet, video. In video we have all files type again available, and then we have archive, text, and spreadsheets and interactives too. So these are going to be the file types that people can upload. Let's say you do not support any file type. So what you will do is you will uncheck that. For example, you do not want them to upload an audio. So we can uncheck this one. You do not want them to upload a video. You can uncheck the video option. Let's say you just want them to upload a video. You can uncheck other options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just uncheck the audio one because I do not want them to upload an audio, let's say. Once you're done with this setting, you can scroll down to the file size limit. Now, this is also really important when it comes to uploading a file on any of the websites. So you can select the limit that what type of file they can upload. So I'm going to go with MB, and they can upload up to 10 MB of file, not more than this. So we have a 10 right here. Show files in media library. So if I want those files in my media library, choose whether you want to show the files by visitor using in media. This is my media library right here in our, dashboard. So do I want them to be shown in my media library? No, I don't want that because there will be a lot of people uploading that. So I just want to get them to my email. I do not want to, show them. I don't want to show in my media library. So once you're done with all of these settings, these are important. What you will do is you will click on apply. Let me actually show you more settings to upload file. So we have labels that I showed you settings, and we have styling. In styling, we have additional CSS classes, and then we have visibility. So this is what it will look like. This is what they will see. Add rule. So if you want to add any kind of rule or visibility to your PDF file right here, you can choose that. We have show and hide. If I click on hide, they won't be able to see the file. So you can actually create a rule right here for the visibility of the PDF file. So we have actually added all of the different settings to my upload file, and then we have captcha right here. For the captcha, you will have to, add a capture provider. If you want to delete any of the fields, you can click on these settings right here and click on delete field. Delete again. We can add another field if we want, and for the PDF file, maybe you will be going with a check box or something like that. So you can do that, or you can add currency, consent, or e-signature as well. So for now, I think this looks pretty good. My form is ready. This is the form for the upload file. Once you're done with the form, you can get a preview. So I'm going to click right here. And this is what my form looks like. And you can see we have a choose file option. So they will click on choose file, and you can see any user can upload any type of file to my website. It's so easy to create a file upload form using WordPress. And this is how you can also go ahead and create a file upload form on your WordPress. They will now click on send message, fill up the form, and I will receive these forms on my email or maybe my media library. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.